Another week of football. We just wrapped up the FIFA week. And hey, man, we don't know if Bafana Bafana is ready to go to the World Cup. And the Betway Premiership is back in action. We saw Mamelodi Sundowns in action. We saw Kaiser Chiefs in action. We are unpacking that today. And remember, this episode is brought to you by WSB. That is World Sports Betting. Hashtag bet with the best. Hashtag WBS. WSB rather. Junior, how are you?
Inhleki sesithatha kunjani?
Ngishap wena?
Ngimnandi kakhulu.
Zizo?
Inhlekelelo?
Grand.
Ngishaphi wena?
Ngishap. Okay, let's start. The past two games that Bafana Bafana played, they played 33rd placed Panama in the FIFA World Rankings, while Bafana Bafana is ranking 60 in the FIFA rankings. What was the reflection of the game for you? Let's start with the first game, where the game was played in KZN in Moses Mabhida, where there was a draw. And subsequent to that, Bafana Bafana lost to Panama. Is that the reflection of state of readiness as far as South Africa is concerned for the World Cup?
Mina Nhlanhla into engingayisho first and foremost into engingayisho ngizoqala ngocoach uHugo Bros. I think okay kule game lena he didn't want ukuthi asebenzise i-team azocompete ngayo. I think bekafuna ukubona amanye ama-players ukuthi like makazohamba nawo World Cup azoba ready or kanjani. But into engingayisho mina Nhlanhla I think Bafana ready but the only downfall ezosibeka phansi I think arrogant aka-coach is the only downfall ekuzoba yiyo manje for Bafana.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So by his arrogance, what do you mean? Do you mean like certain players should have been there and then akabafakanga? Like, can you unpack that arrogance yakhe? Which part of him is arrogant?
Yeah, yabona njengale bheka Nhlanhla masingathi siyabheka manje sibheka i-situation yaka-Thembi Nkosi. Beside anything uLodge like uyitshintshile impilo yakhe everybody before azohamba la South Africa he had a problem beyangasathandwa ama-fans but i-player le-media but I think le move ukuthi aye ile yamnikeza i-lifeline. I think uyitshintshile impilo yakhe umfana uyadeserve ukuthi abe sesquadini manje. Yeah.
But is that the only player that you feel if coach includes him, then Bafana Bafana izohluka?
No, mina into engene ngayibona Nhlanhla kule squad for mina uReynolds uyadingakala naye kumele sihambe naye uReynolds angeke shiye top goal scorer yethu for i-World Cup. I think uReynolds naye uyadingakala esquadini naye.
All right, so Michael, you're saying the coach is arrogant because akafakanga Renas, akafakanga Lodge, and if those two players were there, then Bafana would be a different team.
Yeah, but mangabheka Nhlanhla namanje the way ahandlishe ngakhona ezinye zezinto Nhlanhla okay I don't have anything against ugoalkeeper lo wesikhukhune ulena but mangabheka ngesikhathi yakhiphe ngaso uChina afake ngaso yena ulena from Luntuza uyahamba uyomluntuza but na into emhlulile kule game if he wanted to give him a chance kumele amqalise ne-game. I think mawucala ne-game uba na less pressure than mawuzongena as a sub Nhlanhla. Yeah. Because already uthola uRono yena akakaconsider or akakayenzini uyangena wena uyaconsider
Yeah.
it's gonna kill you Nhlanhla.
So do you think if there was another goalkeeper there, it would have been different?
No, I don't say ukuthi mina okay everybody Nhlanhla uyenza ama mistake. Angeke sithi la muntu lo one mistake. If you remember now uRonwen first game yakhe kuBafana bamshaya 5 against Brazil.
Yes.
So there was nothing esingasho ukuthi because bamshaya 5 ubad ngaleyo ndlela namhlanje uRonwen is our number 1 goalkeeper. So I think into esazoyenzakala nayo umfana kumele ayithathe as a player akhule. This is what makes you grow kahle kahle. Yeah.
And the exclusion of Sipho Chain in that team, what do you make of that?
No, mina ngisupport Nhlanhla. Even if kwenzakalani but I don't support that Nhlanhla. Ifana njengale yaka Reynolds. Goalkeeper like una most clean sheets in the league akekho kuBafana Bafana. Reynolds is a top goal scorer. Yama player wa like higher but he's not in the national team so for mina kula ngibona khona ukuthi hayi Hugo Bros yabona le arrogance yakhe hayi uzosibulala because ngathi akafuna ukujayela uyambona vena.
Okay. All right. Tibos, the first game that Bafana Bafana played in Moses Mabhida, where Bafana Bafana drew, what do you make of it?
Yeah, it's personal Nhlanhla. Nothing new Hugo Bros science for us. Esingakazi siyenze we as South Africans. Sike sa qualify for AFCON.
Yeah.
Esikhathi uJomoson
for World Cup.
esikhathi uJomoson asithatha sisa ku-AFCON.
Yeah.
I think we competed lapho. If not mistaken, Penny McCarthy was the top goal scorer of the tournament. Esikhathi hamba nabo Thabo Moki, he took a couple of players and uJomo went there, sa-qualify. Sa-qualify. And then we qualify, if not mistaken, 2002. or 98 I mean to say
2002. Yeah.
in 2002 ngikhuluma nge-World Cup
Yeah.
sa-qualify. Sure, there's
sure.
nothing new the coach ayenzile esingayenzanga. Mele simcomplimente because yes true after isikhathi eside yabona, but akusukuthi khona into ayenzile singakaze siyenze as we as a country. Angakukhohlwa naye coach lokho. Yes, though we got both we say compliment coaches we congratulations and you did very well for us after isikhathi eside yabo.
Sure.
Singakhohlwa ne-Sundowns and Pirates we totally on top as well. I think the competition was loud and clear. But at the standard, the Pirates and Chiefs, it was very easy for the coach to select top players, especially for a national team. They compete with Champions League, both of them. They compete with Betway Premiership, but the 15 million. And I think a coach arrogance man is omlimaza a lot. There's into being born if he was doing things okay. Akusimali ukuphosa ukuthi ngamthanda sonke. True. We can't. I mean, people noma ngabe ungenza kahle kangakanani. People kuzoba ne khona bazodaya uJunior fuck off man. uNkulunkulu ngicolele ngelanguage, but khona bazothi uJunior is doing very well. Iba kaningi. I mean, everybody une opinion yakhe. People talks.
Yeah.
But they said la mele sikhulume effect la. Ucoach usithathile wasisa kwAfcon. Ngizoyiphinda ngisho this thing. Ucoach wabiza criminal squad kwAfcon whereby team is already qualified. Yabo kwAfcon wabiza criminal squad ngisho before azocleana lesa squad abizi i-final squad se-AFCON. Understand why beka busy criminal squad kungukuthi team iqualifyile bekayazi. Yabo ngikhuluma nge-winning team.
Yeah.
Starting 11 and nama-reserve works convincing we qualified. And also by then AFCON bese qualified for i-World Cup. So bofuna ukubonani mawubiza criminal squad. I don't understand why. Ila ngithi mina it goes nange-arrogance yakhe. Come back now, AFCON basti set dismissal very early. Kuma group stages. Saphuma. Masiphuma. Uyabuya manje. I mean, we as a country are prepared for World Cup Stanley Panama. Panama, truly speaking, Mina, for me, I'll be honest to you, I was very disappointed for us to be with this way Panama. Because for me, it's a lose for me. It's la home. Tina, we're so comfortable than Panama. Panama, actually, team one of the best. Mina mangibukele their team. Yes, but in terms of the structure.
And the rankings also say something different.
Yes, because Maramangi Bugel on the field, honestly, I didn't see something special. In Taba good I think a coach abo engzo compliment ngabo. I know it defends how they defend, how they approach games. The thing I'm not talking about quality individual. In terms of playing, but outclass those people, but the structure is powerful. You understand? I think the baby different in terms of former rankings compared to us. But you only minute row gibo is more of a win. Chinagiti lose. We are playing home in front of our crowd.
Yes.
We
packed crowd at that. Yeah.
Yes. Somebody can say we missed chances, but manga pegala one different rea will be badala second game. Being a first game, couple of players in fact. So badlaling a team sort of mangba pega initially front game yabo kuqala ipi team yabo ngoba batrowile Mr. Ma chances through start ama decision are wrong. Mina, I will be honest to you, I was very disappointed to throw their game. Coach I throw. Second game they want to laba by all out. But project game different compared to the first game. But project game they were attacking minded.
Yes, they were.
Bebas pressa, front three, midfield follow.
Sure.
Bavali pace for us, but the intensity came high.
Yes.
The second team, I think, laying it mean about the second game, especially more technically good than first game. Moving the ball, Guguma directional right, very dangerous. And honestly, I will be honest to you, they deserve to win the game. We never created so many chances. Ngibonile esurila mveza this guy lo dlala le Europe. I think was supposed to score mfana bemela gore. Hlongwane. Disappointing nenye into coach ekumele ibheke lento ama stats ezoslimaza. Sometimes you need to judge a player based on his performance. Yabo ngoba even one makazoshiya Reyners for evident Maghupa na this guy of Forstler. The striker. Urenas has been competing for a top goal scorer.
Sure.
Maghupa kazabe compete against anyone ukuba a top goal scorer. ukuthi bambale nje amongst the top goal scorers, never been in that situation. Including Foster in Europe, he's never competed to be a top goal scorer. Yes, he scored there and there in goals, but Reynolds is competing. Even last year, honestly, is amongst the top goal scorer currently. Let alone Liga idlalayo compared to this guy Foster qala ngaye. Bekumele ambizo Reynolds la kunama personal vendors. Also, this boy, Michael mentioned something very important, Thembi Nkosi-Lorch. In fact, I don't understand why coach angambizi. Mina yabona masingahlala phansi ayikhuluma indaba yakhe ayizwisiseka understandeki base sengikhuluma on the field asekela ukuthi kweyenzakalani umfana was buried alive umfana wabulala umuntu. I'm just making example ama case wakhe what Michael mentioned something very important. Umfana ugrab chance second chance yakhe very like ngiyamcompliment the way grab akusiwo wonke umuntu ugrab second chance. He went outside the country. I think bengayinida leyo nto leyo azange abe nomngane noma ngabe uyabatholile based on his performance yabo. But umfana usiprovile ku Club World Cup. He was one of the best player Morocco.
Egypt.
I mean, Axi Morocco.
Oh, yes.
Morocco, yes.
Morocco.
He left there. Manje Libya. Ngimbonile ukhashazile as we speak now. Assist as well. His performance speak loud and clear. And even in South Africa usiprovile kunamfana ngihlale ngisho. Ngikhuluma ngedaba akusilonke players perform. The boy didn't perform, score goals. Wade matters most. Udecide ama-game amadaba amaningi amfana. And amfana asikhulume nje nge-second chance yakhe. Coach, there's nothing wrong about his performance. Overlook. Master sikhuluma nje iVAR. Yes, mina really one of the best players ngithandayo. After South Africa isikhathi eside keep playing njengalela. Yamfana is a future star of us. Sikhuluma nge-national, international level. Angikhulumi ngephi. PSL umfana urephile. Yeah, for me, he has done it. Angeke ngithi he has done it all, mara is one of the best player currently kubhetwe Premiership. We like it on number 10. Intwana encane. South Africa isikhathi eside ngakhipha number 10. Ku-number 10 akudlala noma ubani nhlanhla. Kudlala ama-season players in South Africa. Ama-player perform ku-number 10, even uMshishi naye season player. He had to go to be loaned out. Mpumalanga Black Aces came at Sundowns matured. And then basekahlambulukile number 10 besekamdlala thatha ama-decision whereby aplease wonke umuntu. And there was nothing ngoba ngayiquestiona ngomshishi sekamatured. Teko Mlise was matured as well makadlala position. Though ngeke uthathe nothing away, take nothing ushishi and Teko talented players. But this boy at the age of 21, 20, umbheka number 10 umdecide kanjani? Udecide ama-game for Pirates yamfana.
But there's this notion when our junior 80 he's good for PSL, but he's not yet ready international.
True, leyo nyayibala, but bear mina ngadlala ngaye mabangathi ngichoosing. Yes, I sometimes say kunama ama-game big especially international nami ngimbonile naku AFCON angeke ngimqale, but ubani ozomqala ngaphandle kwakhe because he can play off the ball. You play against international player angeke ndlale nifuna uphuma ngejob ngendlala ibhola enyaweni nonke. This boy can run off the ball. There's room for improvement. I'll play with him. I mean, if Abu Henrik babizwe Brazil, banabo ma 16, 17, 18, bangabiza bo Anton badlala league, bo Real Betis, kule age abo 26 and stuff. Play him.
So do you think if ever we had because now it's things that we don't see anymore. The under 20, the under 23, then he would get more of international exposure, go under 23, and then build it up to the national team. And then we were going to see a different side to him.
Akusu onglurile because I mean we're doing is that's why mina ngikhala nge-country sense into wrong kakhulu. Mangikhuluma nge-development, it's not only under 17 as well. Under 15 ugcineni nibuzwa bathi yadlala. I'm talking about under 12. I-development ayiqali kubo under 20, under 23. It's more of a chain. You understand? Sikhuluma nge-international exposure. You understand? I think in a continuity. International exposure, those players continuity. Mhlawumbe uthatha 5-6 uyipromote ngesikhathi esiright asisho ukuthi bonke. So really, I mean, I can tell you under 20 can rap everything. In under 20, the boy is ready, man. It's just that it's a matter of time. Simlindi, yeah, but we need to be patient. But me, namabangathi ngiqale ngobani ku number 10 ku World Cup ngizoqala ngayo. So ipoint lami nhlanhla la icoach manje ushiya uChina right uMichael. Uyamshiya uChina. Uthatha lo goalkeeper Ronenila lo mfana lo wesikhukhuna. I've got nothing against it, but look at the timing. He came and consider. Ithini uzomnida uChina manje ku World Cup. uzoyenza lento eyifunayo sithi should anything happen iyaqala igame yalimala uRonwen.
Ronwin, yeah.
I mean yes, he's a professional player. Abanye abantu bazokhuluma lento ukuthi umsebenzi wakhe and stuff, but psychologically will be damaged. Uzoba nengqondo ukuthi this guy ngifuni. Yes, ngiyalapha knowing ukuthi ulinde ngenze mistake because angeke ngidrope ku vital time. You understand? Bekumele amsebenzise kule game. Bekumele kuvimbe yena inhle kula ama game la which yabo China. So it's so okay honestly. And West mina ngiyamangala no Green Kekana
Yeah,
understand.
true.
Even Akon angina problem against yabo Akon. But where he was, all this, where was Akon? Ngikhuluma ngama preparations.
Yeah.
La wesiqualify ngawo bo AFCON also well. uGrant udlala international, udlala iChampions League. Wa ungambizi uGrant. Unfortunately, yes, that's why ngithi there's a lot. Yabo. Even noyaya kuJaden Adams ukuthi udlala yiphileka, asike nama stats. uJaden understanding between him and Mkwena. Lo mfana uRichie Peak ngesikhathi esiGrant ya ku World Cup uJaden. So now uyaya ukuthi udlala kuphi, it doesn't matter, there's many players who play in Europe. Ngiyaxolisa ngihlale ngisho mawuthi yababheka based on the field yasekela ama stats. I didn't think they giving what we had or what we lento esizwa ngabo ukuthi badlala kuphi and stuff because uJaden mfethu understand udlala international football bawudlala i-semi final against Esperance as we speak. So ngimbonile nje uyawaslimaza ucoach ukuthi eliminate uJaden kule game. I think game yokuqala game is2 it's a sad story. And yeah, I mean Nhlanhla nginejive nje even going to the World Cup ngocoach yethu and yeah, even the some of the selection ama player wakhe.
Michael, you are nodding a lot. What do you think should happen for us to at least go through to the last 16 of the World Cup?
Nhlanhla inzima le ngoba manje siya kwesinye stage Nhlanhla. This is a world stage. We are talking about ukuthi wonke umuntu uzoba ready for lento leyo yabo. And manje thina sesene problem yokuba ne team manje phela by now bekumele ngabe sesiyazi ukuthi abobani abazo compete khuluma iqiniso Nhlanhla. Yabo. Ngoba nezinye izinto mina like into engisurprise nami into enginokuyibona yabo like kuno prefer akana mfana khuluma ngawe uyaya kunabo talent. Talent abafana talent mina bangithandelani bangibathandelani banomkwena, they possess into abaningi abanganayo. They can score goals. Yabona uma udlala leya position, if you can score goals, create goals, you are giving us like another plus in the midfield, you understand? Because masodlala ngeni ibhola lakudala Nhlanhla le lingana ama stats. I remember Mshini used to tell us about that thing. Akhuluma ngoTinash in the modern football as a defensive midfielder you must score goals, you must assist goals. You understand? So yinto esidingayo manje from ku coach, but njengoba ngisho ngithi sometimes ubehave ngathi kunabantu abathandayo kunabantu angabathandi.
And into ezosibulala.
Hayi yona into ezosibulala kakhulu Nhlanhla manje. Like manje isikhathi bekumele ngabe i-team ubuild confident. I would like abulala ama play confident manje. Yabo njengalento akayisho manje. Ulena umgayile chance manje. Uzoyenzani manje for i-squad for manje makazobiza i-squad. Is he gonna give him another chance or angeke ambize? If angeke ambize uzoba kanjani uleno after the World Cup? Yena personally so. Uzoba mbulelo yabo. So even if you're a coach you must build i-confidence yama player. Hayi ukuthi kube ngathi ufuna ukwabulana. Njengoba ngisho na kule 2 games uyahamba uyamfakeze sub Nhlanhla. Wangamqala igame i1 angisho ufuna ukumbona uyathela ngazi ukuthi wena uyaprepare. Mfaka ecale ke igame sibone aziprove na igame iqalile. But uzofaka umuntu goalkeeper eze second half Nhlanhla. Bazovele bakufana nokuthi bakufakela ama penalty nokubona nokuthi bathi team ikufakela ama penalty bavele bakhashaza maqeda ukungena. So into ezikanjalo if you have a confidence kuye kuzo umbize angisho kudala mlandelela kudala mbona une confidence ngiqalise ube kuRonwen ngaphandle because na lento vital because masingaluza uRonwen manje we don't know ukuthi who is now number 2. Ayikho into ethi step njengalo because if udrop uChina manje for mina angina problem ukuthi umdropile but I think i-timing yakho be wrong Nhlanhla. Ubuya kuChina kuma AFCON ubuya nayo kuma qualifier and then here comes the World Cup manje last minute you are bringing another goalkeeper. But it's up to him. Uyu coach obonayo angeke thina simenzele uyozenzela i-team.
Yeah. Guys, we cannot wrap up this conversation and not talk about the fantastic goal that came from Umbogazi. That goal was world class. Some people say that is the goal to actually get him into the EPL. Do you agree?
Mina ngihlale ngisho kunama player. That's why mina sometimes and I will stick on this. If football ayifuni cut and paste, yabo. A raw, one of the best talented player. Imagine Umbogazi akaqalanga ku Pirates under 15 under 13. I'm not too sure about under 19 yabo ngisho SAP team mara ngiyazi ukuthi TTC udlalile. kusho ukuthi kune-stages jumpile, but imagine mfana ukwazi ukudecide i-country because laphana lela bhola uthemba liphasile lela bhola lo mfana ulungisile belisemoyeni and ubheke ne-extra touch yakhona, ubheke nali where Pick Sports ngakhona akaqala ukulikora lela bhola if not mistaken isiwelele walikora
The second goal.
yeah le ngathi mina it was a life changing. It's got a big heart. Akusonke italent engilaziyo mina in the country abafana ba talented being arrogant on the field not ngaphandle uyisebenzisa ngendlela wrong yabo arrogance ukuthi mina ngiyalida where ichami ngakanani and lamfana lo is a leader mfethu ukungena nje kule yambiza umbonile ukutholakala kuphi inhlanhla so ukuthatha that responsibility ukuthi labantu abakura I'm going there not by saying yes so lamfana I'll compliment that boy him and really he deserved to play abroad yabo mina unanginga la dlala khona it was meant to be yabona nakho
Yeah,
understand stress inkhulisa umfana and something big is coming. I mean i-performance umfana speaks for lo mdlalo. I mean there's no coach ever in the world amagame njengalawo international special preparation for World Cup everybody was watching that game. I'm talking about scouts, top scouts, so they will break account umfana uyadeserve even really mina ngisasho namanje he deserved to play abroad yabo those two players mina Nhlanhla mfethu I single them out ngikhala nge-development every time mangikhuluma yabo mina Nhlanhla mfethu ama-play especially developed phela baze ku-develop mele uyi-quality ka bangakuforced ukuthi uzube yinto ongasiyiyo bese siba nama-expectation people thinking ukuthi against him no those two players South Africa ekhipile ngikhuluma ngabantu abascout abababona nalaba ne-challenge and compliment izandla yabo also Pirates to scout those two players are shelling Pirates izandla mfethu because abanye abantu baspend ama-millions to bring abantu abanjengabo millions yabo so mfethu asishayela i-Pirates izandla to scout those players nalabantu bababona ngisho laba rural areas akusi easy.
Okay. All right. Let's move on to the Gateway Premiership. The title race is getting tighter and tighter. There is 2 points that separates number 1 and number 2. There's 2 goals in terms of goal difference that separates number 1 and number 2. Michael, iyadla imnyama. Could the league be decided on the last game? Could the league be decided on the wire on the last day? In terms of how things are going, because right now both teams have played 22 games each, and tonight there is a game that Pirates is going to be playing against Golden Arrows, but the points as things stand, shota nje points out 2, shota nje oyi-1 wabo to actually score 2 more goals, and that may give us an indication of where the league is going. Is this the league that we signed up for?
Nhlanhla mina into engizoyisho lento ngiyayiphinda Nhlanhla ngishilo lento before na season iphakathi ngathi ayikho ilike engihappy ngayo njengalena Nhlanhla. Yeah. I'm happy ngale league ngoba yazi why Nhlanhla like there was a competition. That's why ngihlala ngikhala ngithi bengifuna ukubona amakhosi nawo lapha. Abakhona kule ya mix yabo. Like lento ukuthi Sundowns idominate ibhola lethu like iwine i-league phela by now ngale 9 games ngabe siyazi ukuthi i-trophy manje sele Chlorokop yabo. But for the Pirates into abayenzile this season angibashayela izandla kakhulu Nhlanhla. Babanikile Sundowns run for their money Nhlanhla bayizwile ipain ukuthi yazini i-league ayingeke sayiwina. That's simple. Like 5 games before, 10 games before. I think this season angibashayela izandla amabhakani.
Marubashayela izandla, Michael, does this mean like ngisho ngithi will it be decided on the last day, on the last game? Because we talk about the Sundowns edlala week in, week out. The same Sundowns that played at Bafana, the same Sundowns that's competing in the Champions League, the same Sundowns that's competing for the league title is the same Sundowns that we are seeing. Junior is always saying guti it depth and the mental strength the Bafana Bafana Sundowns is unmatched. And we are seeing that week in, week out. Could that be, like I'm asking once again, the league that will be decided on the last day? Or Sundowns has already wrapped up the season?
Mina into engisho Nhlanhla league izophela ngelast game.
Ngelast game.
Mina ngithi this league izophela ngelast game.
So there's
because
no
if
obvious...
mongacheka Nhlanhla ne mongacheka last season i-Pirates under Jose naye makachase league udrop ama-point vital whereby ukuthi by this time bese-ke aphansi and if you check the difference about the Pirates this year na last year they've started well and this year baqale nga-2 lose Nhlanhla but to be there Nhlanhla against Sundowns into esingayijwayelanga ekhantrini leyo so yiyo into engithi mina ngibashayela izandla but mina into engiyibonayo le league izoya until the last day Nhlanhla.
Thabo. You've always said this. You said it before. You consistently said Uguti. And look, man, what you say, siyayibona, week in, week out. Because Bafana Lava, it doesn't matter where they're performing. I mean, some of the players, bebadlala kubafana Bafana, right? They came, they played against Chipa United, and like there was an avalanche of goals, like 4 goals in that game. And these are the guys that are supposed to be tired. These are the guys that are supposed to be exhausted. Gotta know they still show up and they still score 4 goals in that game. Where do you think this is going? Because like you've said it before, Guti, when the second half of the league comes, we're going to see a different Sundowns. We're going to see the stronger Sundowns. And that's what we're seeing.
Yeah, Nhlanhla, I think both teams, Sundowns ayicalanga kahle nesizini. Mase sikhuluma nje ifana. Bacalanga kahle isizini. I mean, there was a lot of questions. There were a lot of questions, like especially Ukado, also the way team is the identity, favoritism.
Yeah.
Yes. First round of the season, not only beginning of the season. Pirates 2 games, they never started very well, but they pick up. Yeah, and Pirates this season, mina ngicela ukomplimenta i-scouting sabo ukuthi kube ne-depth, especially mixing experience and young, quality, talented players. I mean, I'm a supporters. I mean, how many sold out this year for Orlando Pirates?
That's true.
That tells the story.
That's true.
Unabantu abathola 8 iboma 6. Angazi marumo ngathi itholile 6 this year, 8 7. Sikhona lapho. Khona bathu kusho ukuthi Pirates in 2 games ishaye 13 goals. Ngisho season. I'm not talking about amaviki alandelana because khona bathole 6 last week. Lo nto kutshela enye into. And convincing. Mina ngikhuluma nange-identity how Pirates play. Individual brilliance, play as a team as well. Compliment, honestly. Actually, easy. Pirates this year is not. I performulise Sundowns. I lali subtongo, but now sikhuluma nge-Sundowns that is playing week in and week out. But the schedule sa Sundowns we like it. Mina ngibanike compliment more than Sundowns Pirates. I mean, I compliment engibanika yona number 1. Sikhuluma nge-fatigue la.
Sure.
Fatigue not only body, we're talking about psychology.
Mentally as
They
well.
travel. A lot of those people. I mean, last week Sundowns. Is a little Tuesday, if not mistaken.
Yeah, with Bafana, and then on Friday, bebadlala.
JD Adams was playing, Mkwena was playing, the game, Mdiba was playing there, Ronon Williams was playing,
Muda was playing.
Mda was playing. We're talking about Sundowns that's almost there.
Yeah.
And then Friday they came and played.
And they won. They didn't just play.
They won 4-1. Convincing.
Sure.
Yeah, bo. And then they are playing even tonight. So it's Sundowns, it's coming 4 days after here. And then now over the weekend they're going to the Champions League la
Semi-final.
semi-final. So Nhlanhla ayicalanga manje, can you imagine? But complimenta more than actually is psychologically. The body, I mean, unfortunately those players well done to also now signing depth yabo. They sign quality players. Ubheke ne team second stream team esibiza nge second stream. I mean, Kibido come from a longest injured now. But he came and fit like a glove now. Ngisho uKipidu umbheke Friday Wednesday. So also is underrated in South Africa. I think he deserves to be at Bafana as well. That's for me. Anyway, angasinqeda kakhulu. Just let me understand the coach mangeke imbize manje ngoba uya kunjalo. And
then Usaleng?
Usaleng in fact joba ngasho mina training Orlando Pirates. Take nothing the guys achieve individual. But there's a different way Sundowns idlala ngakhona na the way Usaleng adlala ngakhona.
Okay.
Is more of bazomenza impact play. Abantu bangathi mangisho mangicala manje isizini uJune udakiwe. Because Sundowns is more of a system team.
Yeah.
Phela the players aba similar like Usaleng. Banalo mfana uMaseko lo dlala eEurope manje. They had to let that boy go because of the boys Mongambheka is more of individual player. He's technical very good. He knows football. He's proved himself to be signed by Sundowns after go Supersport. Now national coach. I think it was AFCON last year. You understand? But bebangamdlali Sundowns. That Lodge, which is I believe in Mondak is even compare the playing wabala which you selling no Lodge. I think in Mondak is more matured compared to those players. Umuntu was decide a game, but he was more of individual. And Urulan himself, he never played him. Urulan that brought him, he never played him. You understand? Because of his more, because says impact player. is more of a system team le amayidlala as defender song we press we only good we as good as defending is Sundowns. I mean bakubamba ngabo counter press and then they attack as a team, they defend as a team. So Sundowns is more of a system team than kunzima ukuthi ulethe player elizoba more individual lapha yana, I understand. So bamsebenzisa as an impact player. And like I said, to coach Nyamuzu yasho, I'm happy with him. Wangamqalisi usho Karius. So yeah, justifier. Yes, Lodge is provile umjita. I compliment the guy. He's got a strong character. Technically very good, he's got a speed, but kunezinto ekumele azilungise njengoba ngisasho. Mayodlala lapha. That's why kudlala ama player most of like I'm a development player ku Sundowns. Abo Mkwena, Ronwen, Grant Kakana, Mdiba, development players. Abo Jaden Adams. We understand they want the movement of the ball. Technically very good ball rotation. You understand? So yeah, Ntlantla. Honestly speaking, these two teams, compliment, but I'm still saying, compliment Sundowns more, especially if features yabo. And I'm a game wabo. Abahlila very.
Yeah.
Mara still.
They show up.
And ngisasho ibhale phansi izwenzeka bazoyina. I won't say when.
Yeah.
Honestly, some Pirates I compliment because Pirates na mo ngayibheka ama game. It's just the Pirates throw ama game that was not
Supposed to draw.
and even that game ngisasho le 10 corner round bengamelanga ba lose against Sundowns.
And they were not supposed to draw
Leya
against
game
Siwelele.
bengamelanga ba draw against Isiwelele.
Yeah.
So each Bile, but one of the best team currently this year. Yeah, and an experience count. Kunentwana most ku Pirates. Yes, quality players, younger players, but sometimes seasoned players. You count experience now. You can't buy it.
Yeah. Michael, Itimi and the team that you guys played for in your younger days, came back and 3 consecutive wins. Ever since that strike that took place, the Kaizer Chiefs has really showed up. Could it be that Lama fans and now the boys are actually showing up? Or could we be seeing a different Kaizer Chiefs than, what we have been seeing for the past, 10 seasons? Babuyile Amakhosi, basho kanjalo, bathabuyile Amakhosi. Do you agree that this is the turning point for them?
Nhlanhla into engayisho kokuqala amakhosi ajabulile amakhosi ayawina but Nhlanhla kumele singakhohlisani Nhlanhla. Ingasikhohlisi le 3 bawine 3 games manje in a row.
Consecutively, sure.
They are winning ama games manje which is good. Ile nto engikhulume ngayo ngathi Nhlanhla season i-Chiefs this season they must win manje ukuthi ba-qualify for the Champions League.
Yeah.
This is what they will play for ukuthi ba-qualify for the Champions League. But next season Nhlanhla they need ukuthi bayenze izinto different Nhlanhla.
What do you mean?
Singakhohliswa ukuthi no they must go to the market Nhlanhla kumele basayine ama quality players. Because we cannot
But
say
now,
ukuthi
they're showing up, but we need 3-1. Don't you think it's the beginning of them showing up as quality?
but Nhlanhla mangayibheka lento wena yezwena nami uyibheka lento ikhona into enjalo ukuthi club efana neChiefs ngahlala ingabi neplayer kubafana bafana.
Cha.
It proves you and shows you in terms of equality. With the Chiefs, Pirates, Sundowns, the Chiefs is not on par my teammate in terms of quality.
And you look at the point difference as well on the Premiership. It also says like a lot.
The Pirates is signed about police. The police was playing for a national team aku Polokwane City. Imagine Polokwane City, but was playing regular bafana. They've signed a police. You understand?
Yeah.
Like they've like basayina abantu. They've got more experience, quality players in Nhlanhla. Singasho kanjalo. Chiefs na into kumele manje. I think next season scouting sabo kumele bahambe bofuna ama player quality in Nhlanhla. And akhona nala ku PSN in Nhlanhla. Akhona nje manje it's high time ukuthi manje keep a blank check bathole coach right bamnike blank check assign ama player wakhe in Nhlanhla.
So Winyabo doesn't say anything to you?
No, ukwina ukuthi vele batshintshe isizini yabo Nhlanhla manje. Bhekana manje ukuthi balwele kule position 3 they had ukuthi bafight kanjani because if Nhlanhla masingacheka like ngokweqiniso Nhlanhla iChiefs nayo if azange nayi drop ama points kakhulu they will have nabo ngabe
Been competing for the title.
Unama games nawo wabonayo ukuthi laba phela abantu khona laba buyo draw mhlambe boma 3-4 games in a row you understand Nhlanhla and angeke ukuthi ufuna ukucompete bese usa drop ama point kanjani but another thing kumele bayenze Nhlanhla wala siyathanda sithanda Nhlanhla next season kumele keep a blank check Nhlanhla.
Baba keep a blank check. Amazulu. I mean, like, people were hoping that Amazulu would be number 3, but unfortunately they drew against Skukune 2-2 last night. Junior, what did you make of that game? Because people are really hoping that now, look, we know that Amazulu will not, or they're not in a position to actually take the league right now, but competitively, and speaking about Uatazwani when he was still at Kaizer Chiefs and how he's proved himself beyond an unreasonable doubt, Uguti, he is a coach that's worth it. Just that glitch is all Uguti Batrowe kind of drop points and then place them go number 4. But could it be a team to watch out for next season?
Yeah, u-Adam ngicela ukumcompliment. I think isi-step ekumele asithathe than coaching Kaizer Chiefs. They benama-expectations, especially isikhathi eside. That's how you grow. Yabo isikole siqala ku-matric mfethu. But if bakunika ispan bekumele enzeni u-Adam, bekumele asithathe. But truly speaking, kumaZulu I think is find a peace. Less pressure. Yes, akunala kungana pressure, but less compared to Kaizer Chiefs. So Ada is managed to take out the best out of Abo Extien. Labafana laba unknown players. Well done. I think Arrows nabo they use same mentality. Go and bayogugula labafana laba abadlala kula ma tournament lawa ngale. Finding those players and labafana laba fike ba perform, mixing with 3-4. We understand about Felix, Babu Zung, mixing with them. Well done to Ada to find I think the best out of Amazulu. Yesterday I was disappointed ngibulile, especially I think he came ngithole in i-first half I think bekusele 5 minutes ukuthi iphele ngoba bengenza igame ye-Kaizer Chiefs. U-Ada at the game in hand ne-team yakhe. The left of concentration. I mean the winger lost the ball. Njoba shilo naye ku-mesh yes. We are ukuthi I've been emphasizing not to play the ball backwards okanye across. I mean 30-meter yard ufaka ibhola across nakhona ulifaka like going backwards mali interceptor le bhola end up on the net. It was 2v2 lengwenya by arrogance. Well done to I think the striker a good finish. Which I think after scoring bega believe good he want to because both of them big position yabo namazulu nesikhukhune, so they were competing for number 3 but the Chiefs obviously nama game in hand. So yeah, but ama game in hand it doesn't mean you'll win, but
it doesn't mean points.
But the Chiefs being an advantage still no matter what winning. But to other compliment, especially to take out I'm happy for Extien. I think mabanga midfield of this season I believe he will be nominated. Not to say it's going to win, but they can nominate him. I mean the boys won several men of them as 2, 3, 4 if not mistaken this year. It tells you the story. Is doing very well. Now Munyo grab a second chance after Kaizer Chiefs let him go. And Ada did very well. As a coach, I mean Yamsuta my player understand him. Ngimzwile izola khala inexperience ukuthi the boys need to learn, unfortunately to learn through the hard way. Labafana into kumele bayazi kusafari coach mabayenza ama mistake kanje ngala. But the boy gave into kumele positive ngayo uthola man of the match. I think lo wenzele mistake lo pass across. But uAdi game bekayinile. I mean le game bekayina 2-1 and njoba asho naye was very disappointed. And uThingla coming back I love Thingla. Ibholelazi. It's unfortunate nabo Daki njoba ngi-South African coaches esifike emathimini whereby akusiyo yonke into ezohamba ngendlela yakho. Khona enye article engiyibonile, I think I don't want to mention that coach. I think most of, if not mistaken, if not 85-90% coaches abawaqasha emathimini na coach bona ama-chairman na coach. And it's true that yabo you see the lineup just change, umuntu ubuya ku-stand uqala igame. Umuntu from the bench uba ne good performance first half, second half mangathi uyaqala uyantenga akayi nasebhenchini westanding. Mawumameli was injury free. So ibhola la South Africa liningi yabo. So yeah, uAda did very well and against uZungu, the director that is not patient for me. I love Mr. Zungu. Into engichaze ngayo ukuthi is giving abanye abantwana a chance financially. Uyambona, I think uthe makafika kunama player onika i-chance bona boZungu, abo George Maluleka, Ramahle Mpahlela. Well done to him doing that. Simshayile izandla that. But into engiyibone ngayo like patient. So ukuthi asebenzisane noAda mbekezelele isikhathi eside. Well done to uZungu nayo uAda nokuthi I think ukuthi basebenzisane, and if you can keep uAda, bright future ahead of Ada, but akahlale la. I think sometimes you understand the trick meal yakho. Yeah. If something come angeka yalo obvious at the peak, but bekumele aqale la aqale khona. Well done to Ada.
All right. And then the game that's on everybody's lips namhlanje. Iyadla Mnyama iyadlala nabafana besithende. Can you give me your predictions as far as that game is concerned?
Izowina Pirates.
Michael kana
Idlala na Arrows.
Idlala na Arrows. Yeah, idlala na Arrows. Michael athi izowina. What makes it so sure, Michael? Ukuthi izowina?
Nhlanhla sikhuluma i-Pirates yona izozidla yona Nhlanhla kule season. Mina okay ngiyibonile experience e-Sundowns njengoba akasasho ukuthi okay Sundowns is a more experienced team.
Yeah.
But if you can check Pirates in terms of good football this season Nhlanhla badlala the good football Nhlanhla, the best football ever, best attacking football nami. Gcine kudala ukubona i-Pirates so mhlawumbe sayigcina ngabo gift ayikhumbula le group yaka Papich.
Yeah.
Like yabo uthola i-Pirates eza so ima-winging iza so but the problem yami i-Pirates yabo le square shine ngaso yi-ETS like kule season mhlawumbe ngabe bana more than 4 or 5 games abawine ngama-goals kanje yabo. The problem about them Nhlanhla dezoba later down the season ileyo
Lack of
ukuthi
scoring.
sometimes lack of scoring goals Nhlanhla, because when you create chances ibhola football siwina ngama-goals. You can play how good you can play but ekugcineni mongakori angeke uyiwine igame Nhlanhla.
Aga. Oh, sicela usiphi score cause uMichael uzovela sitshela ukuthi okay iyadla emnyama izowina wena you give us the
Oh,
score
kumele ngithi-
usitshela ukuthi sibhale phansi so sibhala ini
So kwazi ukuthi
phansi?
sibhala phansi.
Sibhalani phansi Vandaka?
Nhlanhla, i-Pirates is going to win, but it's not going to be more heavy score like the 6-7.
Okay.
It's going to be 2-1. I-Pirates inenkinga i-striking force. I mean, letting go Mabaso, it was a big mistake.
Yeah.
I mean, you can't rely on Evident Makgopa. I know kunamagame anokunisiza kiwo, but you can't rely ngeke assume. You need a quality striker. Dealing impilo ayifuna ama-assumption.
Sure.
So kufuneka i-reality. Benza mistake, but ngoba lento abanayo based lento abanayo. Naye mele imtshela enye into abo Evident ngeke ukorola ama midfield man. Bana this guy the striker lo Mbutu ubani?
Mbuthuni.
Yeah, leyangonyana kule game 6. I think he never scored that kule game. And into ekumele bayilungise bano Evident. Bela sometimes niyakhuluma ni striker nithi ukuthi entwana feli. Wera ngicalilo ngicala ngathi siza abajile. Because Sundowns ba compete ne team ena 2 strikers bekuliyon le bhola likorile makangena. Ulibonile engelo uyibonile. Nhlanhla akusi South African player hayi ukuthi abekho. As Nhlanhla we've got quality players la. If bambile bashaya research bathola urile nomfana uMbokazi nomkwena ku Sundowns. Kunama player masingashaya research properly. Asekeleni ubulezi man. Ukwenza research in terms of talent scouting. Nature futhi. Good abantu aba experience abazi ku nature not based on certificate yenye into. I don't criticize ama coaches that aba qualified and stuff, but khona abanye abantu siyaba overlook ama imsebenzi they know to sina ama abantu abanga keep it right as properly. So Pirates izoyiwina game 2-1.
Sibhale phansi.
Angeke ngithi ibhale phansi today. No, but the Pirates are going to win 2-1.
Okay.
But it's not going to be easy game. Arrows Nhlanhla this year Manqoba has managed to take out the best out of Labafana. Kunabo Ndlovu lapha kunabo Cele. Very strong squad nabo. But they bring against exciting Pirates honestly. And Sundowns honestly just to pendula now they're going to win the game. Now it's not going to be easy. It's not going to be easy. They are tired.
Now it's bazowina.
No bazowina. No like Nhlanhla bona enye into Caroso sufane. Inte like elamsebenzi ile nto bengisho Nhlanhla ngithi yabona i-football sometimes mina sibe ne-understanding before like yabo njengocoach singavela like sometimes umjudge because ungacheck uCaroso naye i-rotation yamnceda Nhlanhla manje izizoya ngihlala ngisho ngithi angeke kube ne-11 e1 izoba Ntswembu Nhlanhla if i-Sundowns they had 111 eNtswembu bebazoba ne-problem Nhlanhla. You understand i-rotation imncedile Nhlanhla because ungachecka nale game leyadle ngayo i-cheaper 4 ungachecka ama-player adlalile abuye squad in the few
Very few.
who started Nhlanhla
Yeah.
yabona so ikubonisa i-quality namba banayo Nhlanhla labantu labo because I think na njengoba badlala namhlanje uyadlala futhi Friday or nini
Sunday.
Sunday. Yeah, but I think
Champions League, yeah.
I think namhlanje uzofuna ukuza ne-rotation because uyazi lama games wakhe man manje uzobana and obvious vele leyo noma singayibaleka Nhlanhla sithi schedule sinjani the more you win the more udlala more cups is the more your schedule is going to be tight Nhlanhla. Yeah.
So you're giving it to Sundowns.
Azowina Sundowns namhlanje Nhlanhla.
Score?
Oh, mele ngishaya ngeke ngisisho score both teams, but the Pirates izowina ne Sundowns izowina and
Okay.
both teams they need these points.
Yeah.
And mina ngisasho
To make the league more interesting.
yeah, mara kuya phambili khona uzodropa ama point.
Yeah.
Yeah, khona uzodropa. Mina ngithi Sundowns going to win the league. Leyo ngithi uyibhale phansi leyo I can say it. Write it down. Bona ya last number liyenziwe interesting mara leyike nephelela.
Michael, okay, he says Ilona is going to win the league. Winner, uthi league is a winner one.
Mina ngithi Pirates izowina league.
Okay, cool. Guys?
ngathi nisho musi Pirates leader nga-6
Eh?
ngathi nishilo ukuthi Pirates be-leader nga-6 point hayi Pirates this year nami ngisho
Hey,
level.
ne-Sundowns ibikuyolida nanga 6 points.
Okay,
It's the
gents.
same thing that happened. Even the-Sundowns ibikuyolida.
It will be
Nhlanhla
leader,
this
then
year
they were games
Sundowns
in hand.
9 uyibhale
Ah,
phansi
Nhlanhla ndisiya ngithi mina bayivimba.
Wena,
hayi.
uthi wesine, wena uthi five.
oya
Ah, bayivimba.
Nhlanhla uMichael uthi uyawisha
Uyawisha noma
Umuzi
uyibona
omnyama,
kanjani?
ngithi umuzi omnyama uyayithatha le season.
Yeah.
Ah, bayivimba i-Sundowns angeke ngingabhiza abantu so manje.
Omar uyayazi deep down noNhlanhla mina honestly
No, yenzekile 8 years sibonile Grootman, yenzakalile.
Sekugrand.
Hayi
It's
sibonile.
enough.
nami kahle kahle bengifuna vele ishintshe but kumele siface the facts
The reality.
ziyabhacabula leziyana
Ayazidlala.
yeah and Nhlanhla cabanga njengoba sisho uMichael mentioned something very important the reputation i-rotation but i-rotation ifuna quality players you can't rotate just ordinary players you mean mina ngicompliment signing players nabo basadina badlala quality players
Ish. All right, gents. We're gonna have to leave it there for now. So we are footing next week where we know exactly where the title race stands, and yes, because we needed to also address the relegation look right now because Orbit is number 15 and Magesi continues to stay on number 16. But anyway, so Kulma Ngayo next week. For now, that's all we have for you. This episode was brought to you by World Sports Betting, #WSB, #Bet with the best. It was the Junior Kanye TV edition for this week. I am Nhlanhla Sichele and we'll be back next week. Kaufela, Kausan.